Top 5 apps like GlassesUSAcom reviews that actually work today. If you need prescription glasses, you won't believe what happens next. There are apps that offer stylish frames, accurate prescriptions, and virtual try-ons that actually work today. Most people get this wrong, thinking online eyewear is risky, but these 5 apps make it simple. First up is Warby Parker. Their app allows virtual try-on, prescription upload, and home try-on kits. Users love the convenience and wide selection of frames. Second is Zenni Optical. Zenni's app is budget-friendly, offering thousands of frames and lens options. You can try frames virtually and order prescription lenses easily. Number 3 is eBoyDirect. eBoyDirect's app features style guides, virtual try-ons, and frequent discounts. Its intuitive interface makes selecting frames fast and simple. Fourth is LensCrafters. LensCrafters provides in-store pickup options and virtual frame previews. The app also stores prescriptions for hassle-free reordering. Finally, GlassesUSAcom. This app offers affordable prescription glasses and sunglasses with virtual try-on and multiple lens options. Users appreciate its fast shipping and customer service. In conclusion, while GlassesUSAcom is convenient, these 5 apps give you style, affordability, and accurate prescriptions. They make online eyewear shopping reliable and enjoyable.